Question: have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to cash a check immediately, but Ally seemed to be taking forever? It's a common frustration for many, but understanding the factors that influence check clearing times can help you plan ahead and avoid unnecessary stress. Hook: today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally check clearing to answer the burning question: how long does Ally take to clear a check? Body. 1. The basics of check clearing. What is check clearing? Explain the process of check clearing, including the roles of the bank, the Federal Reserve, and the payee's bank. Factors affecting check clearing times. Discuss the various factors that can influence how long it takes for a check to clear, such as check type. Explain the differences in clearing times for personal, business, and government checks. Check amount. Discuss how larger check amounts may require additional verification. Time of day and day of week. Explain how weekends and holidays can impact clearing times. Bank policies. Discuss how different banks may have varying check clearing policies. 2. Ally's check clearing policies. Ally's general policy. Provide information about Ally's standard check clearing policy, including any specific guidelines or restrictions. Mobile check deposit. If applicable, discuss Ally's mobile check deposit feature and how it affects clearing times. Hold times. Explain if Ally imposes any hold times on checks, especially for new accounts or large deposits. 3. Real-world examples. Case studies. Share real-life examples of Ally customers who have experienced different check clearing times. This could include stories of a customer who needed to cash a check immediately for a time-sensitive purchase. A customer who deposited a large check and faced a hold time. A customer who used mobile check deposit and experienced faster clearing. Customer testimonials include quotes from Ally customers who have shared their experiences with check clearing. 4. Tips for faster check clearing. Best practices. Offer practical tips to help viewers expedite check clearing, such as endorsing the check properly, depositing checks promptly, avoiding weekends and holidays, using mobile check deposit if available, understanding Ally's specific policies. 5. When to contact Ally. Situations requiring contact. Discuss scenarios where it might be necessary to contact Ally's customer service about check clearing, such as unusual delays, incorrectly held funds, issues with mobile check deposit. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Remind viewers of the factors that influence check clearing times. Emphasize the importance of understanding Ally's specific policies. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences with Ally check clearing in the comments. Remind viewers to subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.